from Brussels sprouts. Family in California, northern and southern. My mom lives over in Susanville along with most of my family. My 2 brothers. My dad lives in Bakersfield, California. Sister lives there also. I got family everywhere pretty much. I moved to Reno, Nevada about maybe officially 5 months ago. I first started fighting when I was 17 years old. It was my high school project. It was love at first sight. I became addicted to it instantly, and it's all I ever do now. Our first half of practice would be striking, and the second half would be grappling. And I believe after the first half, the grappling, I don't know, it just wasn't for me at first. And of course, it's very important, and I do love it now, I do. But striking is just what people want to see. They want to see people put on the show, and it's just more entertaining. If I wasn't fighting, I don't believe I'd be anywhere good. I kind of came to a crossroads in my life where I either chose to stick with this or go down a completely awful path. I'm glad I came down this road. It's definitely led me to good places, and I'm thankful to have this sport in my life and to give my life to this sport, really. And I'm just thankful for I love it, and it's given me a purpose. I think what started it was just kind of maybe growing up, like a rough childhood a little bit, and maybe more just wanting a better life for myself and those around me. And that's just what really motivates me one day. You know, I want to buy my mom a house one day, you know, and I just want to give back to my family and give back to the people who have given me everything. The nerves definitely come with it, but right before a fight, like I said, the primal instinct just comes out, and you do what you do. It's all reaction. All the training just pays off, and you just resort to all of that, all the hard work you put in, and you have to trust you're going to win a fight when you're going to win, and trust that you're prepared for it. By the time it's time to walk to the cage, there's a lot of emotions, there really are, and I'm a very emotional woman, and especially about things I'm passionate about, and I get tears in my eyes when I walk to the cage, and you hear your name just being chanted, and it's unreal feeling, and you just don't want to mess this up, you know, but at the same time, if you put your heart and soul into it, like it will always be rewarding. Samantha and I have known each other for a little bit. We have been friends in the past, and she worked at a bank, and I would wait in line just to make sure I made it to her counter, and we just started talking, and yeah, we've been together ever since.
Autumn came to our gym about 7-8 months ago. I've known Autumn for a long time. She's always been amazing at fighting. She came over here looking for a fresh start, different team, looking for different training partners, and kind of reset. With that, we've done a couple fight camps together. None of the fights actually came through. Most girls are scared to fight Autumn. We've done a lot of fight camps together. I cornered her in her last fight for King of the Cage. She knocked the girl out in the first round. Auttumn Norton's the kind of athlete, as a coach, that you really want. She makes my job kind of easy. She goes with the flow, she trusts what I say, and she puts the work in, you know, and she doesn't really complain or whine, and that's what you want in a fighter. You want somebody who's going to put the work ethic, who has the time, who's put the energy in. You know, she's made a lot of sacrifice. Definitely come out, check out Auttumn Norton August 9th in Kansas City. It's going to be filmed on UFC Fight Pass, so you can watch it anywhere, anytime. It's going to be an awesome show, and expect the knockout.
I would say my motivation for fighting is it's my passion. As soon as I started training, I fell in love with it, and ever since then, it's just been my dream and my ultimate goal in life. The main thing that pushes me during fighting, I would say, is just making people proud, and the feeling of getting your hand raised, and knowing that all the hard work that you went through and all the things you put yourself through just pay off. There's no feeling like that, anything in the world that makes you like that. Fighting for Invicta, for me, means everything. As cliche as it may sound, I remember watching the very first Invicta #1, and saying to myself, I will fight for them. They will love me, and I will be on their show. And here I am, about to fight on their show. I have to come out here and make a statement. I have to get the world's attention. I have to show the world who I am, and I need to let them know I'm not just another number in this division. I'm coming for the belt. I think some of the more important things in life are to always follow your heart, no matter what it is. If you love something so much to where it sets your soul on fire, then it's worth doing. It's worth chasing a dream and following your heart, and it'll all be worth in the end. Just keep working for it, and you never know who you're inspiring or who is watching you, so always keep that in mind, and just, like I said, follow your dreams, follow your heart, no matter what.
something new. From up here can't beat the view. Just watch me now. Just watch me now. I got something for you, a little more for you. You won't believe your eyes. Just watch me now.